All right. We are live. Give me 1 second. Let me just get all of these overlays and everything set, and we should be good to go. All right. Let's see. We've got a bunch of people joining us on the Discord. Namzi, give me 1 second. Let me read out the names here. Namzi, Trendin, Naughty, welcome guys to another live stream. We're gonna be here sharing the strategy, sharing the system, talking about that whole JSTStream trading strategy and system. We're gonna be going over the broker we're using. We're gonna be going over different indicators, and we're gonna be talking about how I've been profitable using this strategy, and hopefully helping you guys all get set up, answering all of your questions as well. So make sure you guys stay tuned, and there's a lot to come today. All right, welcome Mellow Muffin, welcome Fellow, Marcelo. Everyone's low in the Twitch and Kick stream. Excited, awesome. Let's get the hype going. We are on Twitch, YouTube, Kick, and on Discord right now. Lorenz, welcome. How is everyone doing today? Are you guys ready to get right into these trades, into the stream right now? All right, let's get right into this. Let's not waste any more time. What am I doing here? All right, I'm going to be going over step by step how you guys are going to get started with your trading journey, how you can get your account set up, and how you can start trading using this system, using this strategy that is a low risk, consistent strategy. So what that means is you're going to be trading with small lot sizes, you're going to be trading with tight stop loss and take profits, and you're going to be trading hopefully long term you're going to be trading without blowing your account, okay? Because I don't want you guys to be blowing your account at all. The whole point of this is to be safe, because as you guys must know, profit is just a side effect of safety, all right? So in trading, safety is the first thing that comes, and then after, profit can follow, but you can't have profit long term without safety, all right? So we're getting right into this. Let's go over these range bars. That is what we are seeing here. Afnan on YouTube, excited for the trades. Awesome. Great to have you all here. All right, so the JST trading system, what is this? So what you guys are seeing on the right side of your screen are the trading range bars. These are called range bars, okay? They look a little bit different than what you see here. These are time-based candles, where these are range-based candles, okay? They look kind of similar, but they're also very different at the same time. The reason why they are different is because these are not based on time whatsoever, whereas these are based on price and time. So every time a new minute happens, it will form a new candle, whereas over here, only when there is a certain amount of movement will the new candle form, okay? So that is what we are looking at over here, these range bars. Now, why do we use the range bars? The reason why we use these range bars is because since it is based on certain parameters with the point movement and all of that, it helps us with seeing clear trends in the market. All right. So when, let's say, we are having a clear uptrend, you're going to see that very neatly on these range bars. When we are having a downtrend, you're going to see that as well. When we are getting pullbacks in the market or a reversal is forming, we're going to see that as well in these range bars. Whereas over here, let's say you're looking over here, you get one candle up, two candles up, one candle down, three candles down, one candle up, one more candle down, one candle up, one candle down. It's like all over the place. Whereas over here, as you guys can see, it's very clear trends, okay? For example, in the bottom left, we are having a downtrend. During that downtrend, we had a pullback, and then it continued moving down, all right? So that is what we see on these range bars. we are seeing these clear trends. One of those things that we are seeing are those pullbacks. The other thing is the reversals. Okay, Scales, welcome to the chat. If you guys have any questions at all at any point, you guys can request to come up on stage, or you can message in the chat and ask me there. If you guys are on Kick, Twitch, YouTube, you guys can ask in the chat. If you guys are in the Discord, you guys can come up to the stage or ask in the chat as well. All right. So when we are having these pullbacks, what that looks like is, let's say we are having a downtrend forming overall. So let's draw a line like that. That's our overall downtrend, okay? Let's say let me draw it right here. So overall, we see that we are having, we had an uptrend over here. But during that uptrend, we had the market go up. It pulled back a little bit, then it moved up a little bit, then it pulled back a little bit more, and it came back up. So during that one uptrend, we had multiple moves going in the opposite direction. Those would be the pullbacks. Similarly, right here, we had the market come down. It pulled back, came back down again, pulled back again, came down again, pulled back once more, and then continued down. Now, that's a long trend right there, but in the end, we still came to the end of that downtrend. We still had an overall push down in the market. So during that, we had the pullbacks where we could have entered for some shorts in the in that move, in that trend. All right. Now, what is the other thing we're going to be looking for? The other thing are the reversals. The reversals is the complete reversing of the trend. So let's say the trend is going up. If it goes down, like in the complete opposite direction, that would be a reversal. Similarly, let's say right here we had a downtrend, then the market completely reversed and went into the uptrend direction. That is what we would consider a reversal. Okay, so we're going to be looking at those two things to trade based on. We're going to be looking for those moves happening on these range bars. Again, I'm trading BTCUSD and XAUUSD. So gold and Bitcoin. Oh my God, I'm not even sharing my screen here. Let me share my screen on the Discord. Let me just send a message as well. Alright, give me 1 second here, guys. Bear with me. I'm just going to send this message in the chat. Boom. Okay. Awesome. Again, if you guys are on Kick, Twitch, YouTube, send a message in the chat. Let me know if you guys are here. I'm going to be answering all of your questions as well. Don't think that you guys are getting left out. I'm everywhere, so feel free to ask your questions at any point, and I'll be happy to answer. All right. All right, let's see if we got any people joining. Sidhu's welcome to the live in the Discord. All right, so guys, we are going over the JSTStream trading strategy right now. I'm going to be looking for an entry if we have a pullback in the market right here. So let's say we are having the trend go this way. If we have a pullback, I'm going to be looking to enter on the continuing uptrend. The reason why I'm going to be entering into a long position here is because the super trend indicator, which is the red and green line, is green right now, which is indicating an uptrend. The PSAR dots are below the candles as well. So both indicators are indicating a possible uptrend. We are seeing the market pull back a little bit. I'm seeing a little bit of red start to form there as well on these range bars. So let's see if we can get an entry going over here. I'm going to enter into a buy position. First, I'm going to set my stop loss right away. So 100 points below my entry is my stop loss. And then 100 points above my entry is going to be my take profit. All right. So now we have entered the trade. We have set our stop loss. We have set our take profit. And now we're just going to be waiting to see where this trade goes. All right. Again, if you guys have any questions at any point, feel free to ask. Honestly, I've been using the system for quite some time. I started using this system in like about last year, November on this account. And I can show you guys my trading history as well. If I scroll all the way down, I started this account in November of last year. We started with 50K. We've profited over $43,000 in total. We did a withdrawal of 5K. I'm going to be looking to do another withdrawal probably soon. Trying to break through that 90K mark. Hopefully the 100K mark that I have set in my title as well. The road to 100K does not stop. We're trying to hit that big 6-figure on this trading account. All right. So let's see what the market is doing. We're going to be looking at BTC and gold. Those are the two markets that I like to trade. The reason why I trade those two markets is, first of all, Bitcoin, BTCUSD, runs 24/7, especially on AbbadoMarkets.com. It's running 24/7. So no matter where I am in the world, usually I'm traveling, so no matter where I am in the world, I can hop on and trust that BTC is live. It's going to be active. It's going to be volatile. So I'm going to be able to get in and out of trades very frequently, pretty frequently, and consistently. All right. The other thing that I like to trade is XAUUSD, which is gold, of course. And the reason why I trade that during the week is because that market is also very volatile. So it's nice to get in and out of trades very quickly. I did 2 trades on gold earlier today, probably when most of you guys were asleep. I made about $330 in 4 minutes on the first trade, and $318 in about 5 minutes in the second trade. It was very, very quick trades. That's usually how it is on gold. These trades move very, very quickly. So that's why I like to trade those markets. All right. All right, Marcelo Lamy, welcome. Thank you for the follow on Twitch. It's great to have you there. All right, let's see where this trade goes. We are in a buy position on Bitcoin. If the music is too loud, let me know and I can lower the volume a little bit. If it is all right, then that's perfect. It does sound a little bit loud for me, but let me know how it is. If you guys are in any of the chats, let me know what you guys think, if it's too loud or if it's okay. All right, so looks like our trade is heading in the correct direction. I mean, the direction that I want it to go into. We had the market reverse, and then it's pulled back a little bit, and hopefully, let's see if it closes where I want it to close. China Bull, welcome to the live webinar. We are currently in a Bitcoin trade right here. You're requesting to speak. All right, let me accept you. You can come up to the stage and you can talk to me, ask me any questions that you want to, or you can message in the chat, of course, as well. Oh, well, hello. Yeah, I think when you raise your hand, I think there's an emoji button. There should be an emoji button, but if you raise your hand, it's going to bring you up to talk onto the stage if you would like to ask any questions or anything. Guys, we are at $55 in profit. I just entered this trade using the range bars, using the PSAR and the super trend indicator, and boom, $107 in profit. All I did was I saw the pullback start to form on these range bars. So we had green candles going up. We started to see a little bit of red, just like we're about to see right now, like that. And then I confirmed with the super trend and the PSAR that we were still in an overall uptrend, because the super trend is green and the PSAR dots are below the candles. Both of those are indicating a possible uptrend. So that is why I entered into a buy position. And now let's see where our trade closes. We have set our stop loss and take profit at 100 points either way. So from my entry, which was 66474, I set my stop loss below that 66374 and my take profit above that 66574. All right. I hope that makes sense. The reason why I'm setting it at 100 points above and 100 points below is for one reason and one reason only. It's my risk management rules. Okay, if there's anything that you guys remember from my live streams, it's how important your risk management is, how important it is to set your stop loss and set your take profit. Okay, because consistency is absolutely key. Now, if you're changing your strategy every single time you enter a trade, you're not being consistent. If you adjust your stop loss and take profit every time you enter a trade because you think it's going to go higher, you think it's not going to dip down again, you are adjusting your strategy every time. You're not being a consistent trader, and you're adjusting your risk management rules as you do that. Okay, so the risk management rules that I highly recommend, and that's what I've been using, is to consistently in every single one of my trades set my stop loss and take profit at 100 points. The reason for that, again, is because I don't want to cross over a 1% risk level in each of my trades. Now, what does that mean? So let's say my account has $88,000 in it right now. 1% of $88,000 would be $880. So the maximum amount that I should spend in one trade, the maximum amount of my loss in a losing trade, the maximum amount of profit in a winning trade should be a maximum of 1%. So again, $800 is the maximum that I should be doing, but these trades that I'm doing currently are worth about $300, give or take, either way that it goes. So let's say my trade hits my take profit, it's going to be $300 in profit. If my trade hits stop loss, it's going to be $300 in loss. Okay, so I've been using that system, that strategy consistently for the past almost year, and we've made about $43,000 in profit in this live trading account. I started this with 50K, and we're up to about 43K in profit. Just in the past 2 months, we made about 15K or so. I can show you guys that as well. So from the beginning of from the end of August, so beginning of September, $15,718 was my profit so far. All right, so not bad, just being consistent, following these rules very, very strictly. I almost at some points trade like a robot. Like I wait for the signal to come to me from the range bar. So if I see a pullback or a reversal start to form, then I confirm with the super trend, sometimes confirm with the PSAR, and I enter into that trade, doing the same thing every single time. All right, I hope that makes sense. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. I'm here to help you guys trade. Again, I'm here 9 a.m. Eastern every single day, which is New York open, every single day, including the weekends, to trade here with you guys, share the strategy, answer any questions that you guys might have, and help you all get started, because that is what I want to do. I've been a part of this community for quite some time, and I've seen it work for myself, and now all that I want to do is help others get started as well. So if you guys are watching on Kick, Twitch, or YouTube, click the links that you guys can see right there, or go to those links right there. So Abbado Markets, which is the link that you're going to see on the top, is the trading platform that I'm using. That's the one that you see on my screen. The reason why I use AbbadoMarkets.com is because they have low spreads, no commissions, no swaps, and they even give you a 5% bonus on your deposit. So I would highly recommend that you guys get your account set up on AbbadoMarkets.com. The website where you're going to get all of the trading strategy, the trading system, is JSTStream.com. So the link at the bottom of the banner right here, JSTStream.com. All you got to do is make a free account. It takes like 2 seconds, and your guys will get access to the range bars running on Forex, cryptos, commodities, and indices and equities as well. So no matter what you're trading, all of the major pairs for these markets, they have the range bars for. So make sure you go and get your account set up. Also, when you go to their website, they have a videos tab. Click that if you are a new trader, even if you're advanced, you have a little bit of experience under your belt. Go to the video section and watch these videos. They have everything from setting up your demo account to how to trade using the range bars and pullbacks, how to understand different trading techniques, how to master different indicators, advanced knowledge, trading psychology, live trading sessions. Everything that you might want to watch is available in very short and easy to understand clips. So I would highly recommend everyone go and watch those. Duke, Reagan, welcome to the Discord stream. Again, if you guys have any questions whatsoever, you guys can come up on stage or ask them in the chat, and I'll be answering those here. All right, again, so what are the indicators that I'm using to help me trade? What helps me with the range bars to confirm the direction of the market? First thing that I look at is the super trend indicator. All right, now the super trend indicator is quite super, like the name says. It's the red and green line that you see on your chart. How I use it is overall, when the line is red, it is indicating an overall downtrend. When the line is green, it's indicating an overall uptrend. So pretty much what we see here, for example, we had a downtrend start to form from here. Then we had the market pull back. Sharaf, welcome back to the Discord. Great to have you here, man. We are in a Bitcoin trade right now. We are in a buy position. So let's see where that closes. Again, so the super trend indicator, when the line is red, it's indicating an overall downtrend, which is what we are seeing here. Then the market pulled back, started to go green. The super trend flipped as well. You saw it go green there. It indicated an uptrend. Then we had a more solid downtrend right there. And then we had, whoops, give me 1 second. Then we had the market pull back here into the uptrend direction, which is where we entered into our trade. All right. So very simply, again, just to recap, when the line is red, it's indicating a downtrend. When the line is green, it's indicating an uptrend. Now, what are these dots that you guys are seeing here? That's the PSAR indicator, the parabolic stop and reverse. How that helps us is, again, it tells us whether it's in an uptrend or a downtrend. So when the dots are below the candles, it's indicating an uptrend. Like, for example, right here. Then we had the market pull back. The dots went from below to above the candles, and then it flipped again as we are going up. So those are the two indicators that I use to help me, along with the range bars, to enter my trades. All right. So in more detail now, if I want to go into more detail, again, the super trend shows us an overall trend, but with the PSAR, I'm able to see many trends that are going on in between the overall greater move. All right, so let's say this trend is overall moving down. You guys can very visually see that. The PSAR is telling us that the market is going down as well. Then it pulls back and flips the other way as the market pulls back. Then it flips again the other way, then flips back, and then comes down again, then flips back a little bit more on the pullback, and then comes down again. So how I use the PSAR in more detail now is, let's say the range bars are telling me that we are going into a downtrend, right? Let's say we're looking at over here. The range bars are telling us that we are going into a downtrend. The super trend is red, so I know that it's a downtrend. The PSAR dots are above, so I know that it's a downtrend. Those are three indications that we have entered into a reversal of the market, and now we are moving downwards. Then what happens is the market starts to pull back. We start to see some green candles form on the range bars. The PSAR dots flip as well. And what that tells me is now we are having a significant pullback for it to have an impact on the PSAR as well. So what I would be looking for at that point is for an entry on the continuing downtrend. So the super trend is still red, so that's still indicating that the overall move is downwards, but the PSAR flips, indicating a pullback. So as the market pulls back, I could have entered into a sell position. So pretty much the PSAR just helps me really see what's going on in between the trends. Like right now, we could possibly see a little bit of a stronger pullback because the PSAR dots flipped to above the candles, but the super trend is still green, so I'm still okay with being in my position. Again, I have my stop loss and take profit set, so I'm not worried about this at all. I'm just going to wait to see where this trade closes. All right, and we are about $50 in profit on this trade, $67 in profit, $81 in profit. Let's see where this trade closes. I think it's going to flip the PSAR dots back on the next candle. Right here, it's probably going to... Oh, not right there. Probably the dots are going to appear somewhere over there. And let's see if we can... Sharaf, I'm drawing this line for you. Let's see if we can have this trade close in the take profit area. All right, how are you guys doing? If you guys have any questions whatsoever, you guys can ask right now. You can also send me a message at any point. Send me a DM and I will be answering anything there as well. If you guys need help after my stream is done with getting set up or anything like that, you can let me know and I'll help you out. All right, $130 in profit. 14 minutes might be too long for that trade to close. Let's say we are hoping for like something like that. All right, how's that? 4 minutes. Let's see if we can close this trade in 4 minutes. The PSAR dots flipped back to indicate the uptrend. We saw that pullback again. We saw that pullback happen on the range bars as well. The little move that caused the PSAR to flip, we saw that happen on the range bars as well, and now it's heading back into the positive direction. Sharaf got into that trade, $95 in profit. That's amazing, man. Where is your take profit at? What is your take profit price set to? Mine is at 66,574. Guys, we are halfway to our take profit. $160 right here. $173. I just entered this trade not too long ago, and we are at about $200 in profit. All right, my guess was 4 minutes left until this trade closes. Looks like it might be a little bit sooner than that. Sharaf's exit is just about 20 points above mine, so not too bad. Hopefully this trend continues and hits his take profit as well. Again, we are looking at BTCUSD, so Bitcoin, and also gold. Those are the two markets we're going to be looking to trade in today's live webinar. All right, so if you guys are on Kick, if you guys are on Twitch, if you guys are on YouTube, send a message in the chat and I will be shouting you guys out. We've got 4 people on Twitch. Wow. Send a message in the chat, guys. Let me know who is here. Kick as well. Let me know who is here. YouTube as well. And obviously Discord, I can see who's here. We've got China Bull, Aveli, welcome back. And Sharaf, as always, welcome. We are at $160 in profit right here in this trade. All right. Again, all I did was use the JSTStream range bars. I saw that pullback happen on the continuing uptrend. I saw that the super trend was green. I saw that the PSAR was below the candle. So those were my 3 confirmations to enter into a long position, into a buy trade. And we are at $203 in profit. Let's see where this trade closes. All right, we got 5 viewers on Twitch now. Welcome to everybody that's joining, guys. I am live every single day, 9 a.m. Eastern, doing these trades, sharing the system, sharing the strategy, and helping you all get set up. A lot of people make trading so difficult when it really is not. They do that to sell you a course or sell you their Discord membership or sell you something, right? Sell you an ebook even. I don't know how people are still paying for ebooks nowadays, but apparently that's still a thing. Listen, the only reason they're trying to they make trading difficult is to sell you that thing. Trading is not difficult. It's very, very simple. And the strategy that I use, it can be used by absolutely anybody. It's so simple. All it takes is putting your head down and focusing, studying what the videos tell you, and using the system in your trades. All right. What I'm using for my trades is the JSTStream trading system. When you guys go to the website, it's completely free. Go and make a free account. They have range bars running on Forex, cryptocurrencies, commodities, and indices, and equities as well. They also have a ton of amazing videos, very short clips, very easy to understand videos that will help you with your trading journey. Everything from how to set up your demo account to how to master different indicators, how to use the range bars, trading on pullbacks and reversals. Everything you need to get started is available on JSTStream.com, so go and get your account set up. Also, I'm trading on AbbadoMarkets.com. That's the trading platform you see here. They've got low spreads, no commissions, no swaps, and they give you a 5% bonus on your deposit. So make sure you guys get your account set up, get your accounts funded as well, and hopefully you guys can join me in doing some trades in the next lives. One second here. Let me see. Can you tell me, do you also do other pairs? So the two pairs again that I do are Bitcoin and gold. So the reason why I only do those two is because they both have quite a lot of volatility. They both have range bars for the markets, and usually, like, if Bitcoin is a little bit slow, then I can go to gold and I can get my trades in. If gold is a little bit slow, I can look at Bitcoin and get my trades in there. And Bitcoin again runs 24/7. Gold shuts off during the weekends, so I don't need to trade any other pairs. The biggest mistake that people do is trade like 30 pairs at a time. You're just going to confuse yourself. You're going to make it very difficult for you to get anything done. It's too much on your mental to focus on that many charts at once. So what I would advise you guys to do is focus on one or two or maybe three pairs at most. Don't go into trading too many different pairs. Find out where you are comfortable in. So I'm comfortable with BTC and gold because they, again, have a lot of volatility. They have a lot of movement, and I've found success trading them. So that is why I would recommend those two pairs personally. The range bars for Bitcoin run on the top left of the cryptocurrency section, and the gold one is on the top left of the commodities and indices section. All right. I hope that answers your question, Chinable. Let me know if you have any further questions, and I can answer those as well. The market didn't do what I wanted it to do. Isn't that such a surprise? Let's see. Let's see if this was just a pullback before it continues upwards. We're just going to be waiting for this trade to close. I don't like to trade more than one. I don't like to enter more than one trade at a time. If I am entering two trades, it's going to be one on Bitcoin and one on gold. The reason why is because I still want to maintain my risk management rules. I don't want to over risk. I don't want to over trade. I don't want to enter too many times on one trend. I wait for that trade to close and then I enter the next trade. All right. On Discord, I don't think you guys can hear the music that's running, right? Can you guys hear it? Hey, thank you MHQQQQQ for the follow on Twitch. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that. There's supposed to be like this Joe Biden AI bot. I guess it's not working right now, but there's supposed to be an AI bot that you can like talk to over there. But we are up to 6 followers on Twitch. If you guys are on Discord, make sure you follow me on Twitch and Kick as well. Oh, you guys can hear the music. Awesome, awesome. I hope it's not too loud. If it's too loud, let me know. Welcome to everybody that's joining us on all platforms. I really appreciate you all being here. Again, I am the Bullpen Trader. I trade live every single day. Discord, Kick, Twitch, YouTube, all of those platforms. I'm live trading 9 a.m. Eastern, Monday to Monday, even on the weekends. So make sure you guys tune in. Hopefully I can help you guys learn something. I share the strategy that I'm using to trade, that I've used to make over 15K in the past 2 months, that I can show right here. We're up to $15,718 in the past 2 months, which is pretty good so far. And honestly, it's been an amazing journey that I've been on, being a part of the JSTStream community. I've been in this community for almost over 2 years probably, and I started properly using this strategy on this account in November of last year, so under a year ago, almost a year ago, and it's been very, very successful for me. So I just want to help others get started. A lot of people make trading very difficult again, and it really isn't, and I'm here to show you that. All right, so if you guys have any questions on any platform, feel free to type it out in the chat, and I will be answering any questions that you guys have. Yeah, I'm just checking. Again, Marcelo, thank you for the follow. SCE Sports, thank you for the follow. Mad Dollar 78, thank you for the follow. MHQQQ, thank you for the follow. TKT, thank you for the follow. Maxi Taxi, Fellow Muffin, Doom Phoenix, thank you for the follow. All right, we've got a bunch of people on Kick, on Twitch, everywhere. I think I gotta refresh this. Oh, snap. My internet is bugging right now because of the yeah, that trade hit our take profit. Oh, awesome. The screen was loading because I'm streaming on so many platforms, so it's a little bit laggy, but wow, we had some crazy candles and we ended up closing in profit right there, guys. I entered not too long ago into this Bitcoin trade. Again, I entered into a Bitcoin trade using the range bars. I saw a pullback form on the range bars on this uptrend. We entered into a buy position and we were able to close in profit there. Okay, now it's fine. I wanted to ask, let's say you're on a trade and you're getting profit like right now, but the trade is still going on and didn't hit the take profit. Is it okay to close the trade and take profit? Because I saw AKPWC do that once. Yeah, so let's say like over there my internet was a little bit slow and it crossed over my take profit, didn't close. That's just because of my internet being slow. Usually it does close. And it actually did close. It was just showing on the screen. But at that point, if it does hit your take profit, then you can close that. Or if it's like really, really close, like if it's like a point off or whatever, like, yeah, feel free to close that. But honestly, I just leave it and let it close on its own. All right. MHQQ is asking, what pair are you trading? I'm currently trading BTCUSD, so that's the Bitcoin to USD pair. I'm trading that on AbbadoMarkets.com. And yeah, we just hit an amazing trade that finally hit our take profit. It took a little longer than expected. It took about 27 minutes for that trade to close, but it ended up hitting our take profit, so we are not upset at that. Sharaf, I think your trade hit your take profit as well. Is that correct? iVersatile, welcome to the stream. How are you guys doing? It didn't close? I mean, what was your... 596. Oh, 596. So a little bit away. It almost went there. 20 points ahead of yours. Okay, okay. It's still signaling an uptrend, so let's see where it goes. But again, like if your trade is like if it's up to like 5 points off, like sure you can close your trade, but honestly I like to stay consistent. I don't mess around with it at all. I just wait till it closes on its own. That way I'm like consistent with it, you know what I mean? All right, so we are seeing a pullback happen on Bitcoin here. We're going to see if we can enter into another buy position. If the market pulls back, let's wait for a few red candles, and then I might enter into another buy trade. The reason why is because we have the super trend is still green. Whoops. The super trend is still green. The PSAR dots are still below, so both of those are indicating an uptrend. The point to be entering would have been at the bottom of these red candles, which was just about the bottom right there. Let me zoom in so it's easier to see. So right about here is where we are seeing this pullback that formed, and that would have been the optimal point to enter. But that's totally fine. Let's see if we can get some red candles so we can enter, or even if one properly forms, then we could enter into a buy position. Let's also look at gold. Let's see what gold is doing. Wow. Gold has been dumping. Yesterday it was all green on gold, and today it is all red. So let's see if we can get an entry on this move. We are seeing it come back up a little bit. So let's see if we can enter into a sell position on the continuing downtrend. We're waiting for that pullback to happen, and let's enter into a sell position. I'm going to set my stop loss to 2734.71 and 2732.71. All right, so I saw that pullback happen. If I go just a little bit ago as well, I saw that pullback happen on gold. That's what we are seeing here as well. Let me zoom in. So we saw this pullback happen. Both indicators, boom. Oh, I mean, I'll take it. That trade just hit our take profit, guys. We just entered into that trade. I didn't even get a chance to explain why I entered into that position, and that trade just closed in profit. 100 points on gold right there. We did a short, and that just crossed our take profit level. $318 in profit, guys. We just did 2 trades in a row, winning trades in a row on this live stream. I think for today I'm 4 for 4. Let's see. I mean, I don't count this 37 cents because that was me making a video earlier, but pretty much 4 for 4 for today, guys. We are up to $1,272 in profit in today's live stream. That's absolutely amazing. Let's see. We are having a stronger pullback start to form on gold right there. It's looking like it could flip the PSAR there. So I'm just going to be waiting to see what happens over there. Let's go back to Bitcoin and see what's going on here. Okay, Sharaf, let me know. That trade closed, didn't it? That trade did hit your take profit. You waited for it, and it finally crossed your take profit level. You stayed true to the strategy. You waited for that trade to hit its take profit that you had set. You didn't adjust your strategy for that trade. You waited for it to close on its own, and boom, you were blessed with some nice candles right there, and you had hit your take profit. Your take profit was down here. You crossed well over that. MHQQ is saying that's incredible. Yeah, it really is just that easy. let's see if we can wait for this pullback to finish on gold and then possibly enter into a short trade. That's what I'm going to be looking forward to over there. Bitcoin is pumping right now. Sharaf is putting some money symbols in the chat. He has hit his take profit. How much was that trade worth, Sharaf? Let me know what the final P&L of that trade was. Let me know. $415 in profit for Sharaf on that buy trade. He took it a little bit after me, so he had a little bit worse of an entry, but it doesn't matter because that trade hit his take profit. Both of us were able to enter into a buy trade on Bitcoin and capitalize on this uptrend right here that we're seeing. His trade did not stay open for too long. My trade was about 27 minutes, I think. Yeah, 27 minutes for my trade. My second trade, guys, that gold trade took 30 seconds for it to close. Half of a minute and it hit my take profit. That's why I love gold. It's honestly so amazing. Let's see if we can get a pullback happen on Bitcoin as well. So we're looking currently we are looking for a pullback to happen on Bitcoin so that we can enter into a long position. The reason for that is because both the super trend and PSAR are indicating uptrends. On gold, however, we are looking to enter into a trade on this continuing downtrend. So we are waiting for this pullback to finish and start moving back down, and then we're going to be looking to enter into a short position. It looks like we are starting to see that form now. We are starting to see some downtrend candles form here. We are also seeing significant movement on the range bars. I'm waiting for the PSAR to flip. That's going to be my second confirmation, and then I'll be entering into a short position on gold. I'm just trying to time this entry. All right. Boom, I entered into that sell position. 0.18, so that's 300 points. And 2734.18, that's 300 points. Oh, all right. So I should have waited for the PSAR definitely to flip as well. That's totally fine. We're going to be waiting for that next one. I got a little hasty with my entry, and I paid the price for it, but that's totally fine. I should have just stuck to the strategy and waited for the PSAR to flip as well, because that was the indication, that was the confirmation that I was actually looking for, but I thought that it would happen over there. That's what happens when you get your own emotions and thoughts involved in your trades. Better to just stick to the strategy. Better to just follow very, very strictly. Okay, so we did miss the little bit of a pullback there, but let's see where we can enter on these markets. If you guys have any questions at all on Discord, on Kick, on Twitch, on YouTube, you guys can let me know in the chats, and I'll be answering your questions there. Again, the trading platform that I'm using is AbbadoMarkets.com. You can see that on the top left on your screen on the streaming platforms. It's AbbadoMarkets.com. That's the website that I'm using to trade on. It's an absolutely amazing platform, low spreads, No commissions, no swaps, no extra fees on your trades. They even give you a 5% bonus on your deposit. So definitely highly recommend you guys use them. They've even got trading bots built in on their account, on their platform, that you can code yourself or use from the ones that are provided there. They have custom indicators, special indicators. They've got the super trend indicator, which is the one that I love to use. So all of that is on abbadomarkets.com. All right, now where I'm getting the strategy, where I'm getting the tools and knowledge of how to trade using this system is from JSTStream.com. Again, that's on your screen right there. All you got to do is make a free account. It takes like 2 seconds. You guys will get access to the range bars running on Forex, cryptos, commodities and indices, and equities as well. So no matter what you're trading, all of the major pairs, they have the range bars for them. If you click the videos tab right there, you guys will get access to all of these amazing short and very informative videos. Everything from how to set up your demo account to how to master different indicators, how to trade using the range bars, looking for the pullbacks and reversals. Everything from trading knowledge, how-to videos, advanced knowledge, trading psychology, live trading sessions. It's all available on the JSTStream.com website. All right, so make sure you guys go and get your account set up, and hopefully we can do some live trades together. We've had a great day of trades so far. We have made over $900 in the day, which is pretty good if you ask me, using this low risk and very strict trading strategy. Okay, so all you got to do with this trading strategy is be strict with your trades and be consistent with them. So you just got to follow the system very, very strictly, very, very consistently, and you are able to hopefully be profitable like I have been using this system. Again, for the past month, we just crossed over the 16K profit mark for the past 2 months. I'd say that's a pretty good number. We were able to withdraw 5K as well, so not bad. Okay, so we saw the PSAR flip right there. Let's see if the super trend flips as well. Then we're going to be looking to enter into a short position. It did pump quite quickly, very high, so it's only right that like after that there's some sells. So I'm just going to be waiting to see where the super trend lands, and then going to be entering into a trade there. We're seeing significant red candles on the range bars, so that's telling us that we're probably having a solid pull down in the market. So let's see what happens here. Gold actually flipped to green after so long. If you guys see, gold has been on a red super trend for so long, about 2 hours, and now finally it's starting to go green. So maybe we are going to be looking to enter into some buy trades on gold, but I'm waiting for this Bitcoin trend right now. Again, guys, make sure you follow me on all the platforms. I'm going to be going live every single day. I'm going to post my link tree in the Discord chat. Boom, right there. So you can copy that. Wait, let me try to make it a link. All right, so you guys should be able to click that in the Discord and get access to all of my social medias. So make sure you guys are following me there. I'm going to be posting a bunch of videos on my TikTok about like the different things that you must remember like when you're trading. I'm going to be going live on Kick, Twitch, and YouTube again. So make sure you guys are following me there as well, so you're notified whenever I do go live. I'm going to try to get my TikTok going as well, so that I can go live there as well, just so I can help out people wherever they are comfortable watching me from. We've been live for almost an hour here. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. You guys can also request and come up on stage and talk to me here, ask me any questions. Yeah, feel free to do that as well. Let me post my link tree in the chats as well. Boom. And there. Let's pin that. And over here as well. Pin that. All right. You guys have any questions? How are your trades going? You guys making money or what? I think I'm going to be calling it a night soon here. We've been live for almost an hour now, and we've made about almost $1,000 on the live. It's been some great trades so far. So I'm going to be ending it here. Thank you all so much for joining. Make sure you guys go and get your accounts set up, get your accounts funded, and hopefully we can do some live trades in the next sessions. Again, if you guys have any questions, go and get your account set up. If you guys have any questions about the process, about how to begin trading, anything like that, feel free to send me a message on any platform, and I'll be looking forward to answering your messages there. I've had a bunch of people reach out to me, so definitely message me whenever, wherever you can, and I'll be happy to help you out there. All right. Thank you all so much for joining, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care, everyone.